Hey off-road fans, today I have a 2022 Polaris RZR Turbo R4 Ultimate side-by-side. That's a mouthful, but I'm going to show you what we cover when we ceramic coat these off-road vehicles. And it doesn't just have to be this, it could be anything that's off-road or farm tractor equipment where we use our ceramic coating, industrial coating, which has a 5-year warranty. So join me. I'm going to show you a little bit about the process, and I'm also going to show you what we cover when we ceramic coat these. All right, everyone, we're going to cover what we ceramic coat, and some of it's very obvious, some of it maybe a little bit less obvious, and we're going to use our industrial 5-year coating, 2 coats on this exterior, and everything that's obvious is going to be covered, all the painted areas, plastic areas, wheel faces, all the powder coated roll bars, roof, you name it, that's all going to be covered. The hood, the front bars, the headlights, the antenna even. And so all that's going to be coated. But what is else going to be coated that may not be as obvious is, we are going to coat the coils and suspension parts, the anti-roll bars, the end links, the suspension, even the exhaust. Our industrial coating will hold up to exhaust heat. All of our fenders, wells, braces, bars, anything that I can reach, I'm going to cover for you. Backside of the wheels, if we can reach it, gas cap even, footrests and all that, although it should be noted that anything with high traffic areas is going to wear down a little bit faster than everything else. Grills, all of that stuff, that's all going to be covered. Even the mud flaps have 2 coats of industrial on it. And this back cargo area, the floors generally do not get covered. There's high traffic, but we did coat all the sides, all the trim, the back of the stereo, all included, tail lights, all included in that. And then what we have is we have the option for the interior. Realizing that most people are going to want the interior, which is good. We're going to do the underside of the roof. All the seats are going to be done in our marine coating, which is typically for boat seats and stuff. Everything else is going to continue to get industrial coating to include the dash, the shifter, the sides of the cup holders, the seat belts, the inside of the doors will get coated. Just about anything that we can reach, the harness bar, it's all going to get coated, the screen, the dashboard, and all of that. So, and of course, if we have special requests, we can do that too, if there's something that you think we really need to pay attention to. And included in the price is you bring us your helmets, we'll coat your helmets in marine as well. And so that's a basic idea of what we're going to be covering for you when we ceramic coat your side-by-side or your off-road vehicle or your farm equipment or tractor equipment. And I hope this was a helpful video. Answer any questions. If you still have questions, of course, don't hesitate to reach out.